The cryptocurrency market is changing the world. It has grown 431% in the last year and 25,000% in the last 5 years. And it started with just one cryptocurrency that was founded in 2008. Hello, we are Crypto Finders and today we are going to explain Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an open source protocol that is used as a decentralized payment system. That means that no one can control your Bitcoin when you buy it or send it. It uses a peer-to-peer network that allows you to connect directly to someone else's computer and send or receive Bitcoin from them. Basically, it is digital money, or as some people say, digital gold. Its creator is known under the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, but his real identity has been anonymous. On November 1st, 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto sent a message to the cryptography list of metsdao.com. The message was titled Bitcoin Peer-to-Peer eCash Paper. Metsdao.com is a platform where you can register your email and you will receive all the emails that are sent to cryptography at metsdao.com. In the message, Satoshi introduced a new payment system called Bitcoin that works without a third-party intermediary like banks. And that's how the people start to find out about Bitcoin.
But at the beginning, Bitcoin was more difficult to use and it had more risk, so the people wasn't really excited. But in 2010, the first Bitcoin exchanges were created. An exchange is a platform where you can buy Bitcoin and then change it for another coin in a very easy way. And then in 2011, organizations like Electronic Frontier Foundation, Internet Archive, Freenet, and the Free Software Foundation started to set Bitcoin as a payment method. So in the years 2011 and 2012, more people start to trust in Bitcoin. How does Bitcoin works? Well, Bitcoin implements a technology called blockchain. This technology allows Bitcoin to have all its data connected. All the Bitcoin information, like transactions, move inside its blockchain, and all these movements are saved inside the blockchain. Basically, a blockchain is a technology that allows digital information to be distributed and saved without an intermediary, and it can't be manipulated. As its name says, a blockchain literally is a chain that contains blocks. This means that all these blocks are connected and all the Bitcoin information is distributed in these blocks. But we're going to talk more about this technology in another video. Now let's talk about Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million Bitcoins, but this max supply is not circulating in the market. In the market, we just have circulating 18 million Bitcoins, and this is because the Bitcoins need to be mined. The Bitcoin mining process consists in the creation of new Bitcoins by solving some computational puzzles. These puzzles are not solved by humans. They are solved by some Bitcoin mining machines that need a lot of power to work. These machines look like this. At the beginning, Bitcoin could be mined in just a normal computer. But the problem is that every time you mine new Bitcoins, the mining difficulty increases. This means that the computational puzzles get harder. So that's why now we need these powerful machines to mine Bitcoin. Now we are going to explain how the Bitcoin price works. The Bitcoin price depends on the supply and demand. That means that if a lot of people want to buy Bitcoin, but there is only a few Bitcoins for sale, then the price will go up. And as we said before, there's only 18 million Bitcoin circulating, and there's more than 18 million people that wants to buy some Bitcoin. So that's why its price has been growing a lot in the last months.
Now let's go into the last part of the video, that will be a little bit of the Bitcoin history. As we say at the beginning of the video, in 2012, people started having some good expectations for Bitcoin. So the first big Bitcoin investors appeared. And that's why in November 2013, Bitcoin price hit $1,000. This price made the first Bitcoin millionaires, but then in 2014, this price went a little bit down into $300. This made a lot of people to think that Bitcoin was dead. But also, in these years, the first altcoins were created. The meaning of the word altcoin is alternative coin. So this means that the first alternative for Bitcoin came into the market. These coins want to beat Bitcoin by improving its blockchain technology and also by innovating in this technology. So from 2011 to 2017, the first successful altcoins were created. When we say successful, it doesn't mean that they beat Bitcoin, but they do take a very important place in the cryptocurrency market. Let's give some examples. Litecoin. It started in 2011 and right now it is in the top 8 cryptocurrencies. XRP. It started in 2012 and now is in the top 5 cryptos. Ethereum. It started in 2015 and now it is in the top 2 of all the cryptocurrencies. But now let's go back into Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't hit $1,000 again until 2017, but in 2017 it was a little bit different. Instead of staying in $1,000, the Bitcoin price hit $19,000 in December 2017. But then in 2018, its price went down again into $3,000. And again, some people start saying that Bitcoin was dead. But what these people didn't know is that this was only the beginning of the crypto market, because in the next years, the Bitcoin price began to rise again. A lot of new exchanges, like the biggest one in the world called Binance.com, were created. Also, a lot of new altcoins were created. And that's how the crypto market started to grow again. And on January 8th of this year, 2021, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $40,000.
Now, Bitcoin is a very reliable cryptocurrency, and it is very easy to buy it around the world. Also, now a lot of important people and institutions are buying it, and a lot of people are saying that this is just the beginning.